In this tutorial we will learn how to make a rotating fan with adjustable speed using a servo motor and Arduino. For this project you will need a L9110 fan motor, servo motor, potentiometer, jumper wires, Arduino and Visuino software.
Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software.
Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add sine analog generator component. Select sine analog generator 1 and in the properties window set amplitude to 0.3 and frequency to 0.1. Add servo component. Connect sine analog generator 1 pin out to servo 1 pin in. Connect servo 1 pin out to Arduino board digital pin 2. Connect Arduino board pin analog 0 to Arduino board digital pin 5 analog PWM.
On the bottom select the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right port for the Arduino board and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.